Hello kids, let's learn alphabets. So let's get started. A apple. B ball. C cup. D doll. E elephant. F for frog. G gun. H house. I ice cream. J jacket. K kettle. L lamp. M mango. N nose. O owl. P parrot. Q queen. R rat. S sun. T hen. U unicorn. V violin. W well. Xmas tree. Y yacht. Z zebra. Our videos, please like the videos and share with your friends and family. And if you are new in our channel, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching our